Many beginners think German articles are completely random, but that's not true. There are real patterns that can help you guess the correct article. Today you'll learn your first and most useful rule. Our first rule is very simple. If a German noun ends with the letters ung, it is almost always feminine. That means it normally uses die. Look carefully. Zeitung, Wohnung, and Rechnung all end with ung. That's why they all use die. Instead of memorizing 3 different articles, you only need to remember one rule. German feels difficult if you try to call separately, but when you learn the pattern, your brain only remembers one rule instead of hundreds of words. Now it's your turn. All 4 words end with ung. Which article do you think they use? The correct answer is die. Great! Here's another useful rule. German nouns ending in HEIT are almost always feminine. That means they use the article die. Once you recognize the ending, guessing becomes much easier. Look at these examples. Freiheit means freedom. Gesundheit means health. Sicherheit means safety. All 3 words end with HEIT, so they all use die. Now let's learn another important ending. If a noun ends in KEIT, it is also usually feminine. That means it also takes die. Here are 3 more examples. Möglichkeit means possibility. Freundlichkeit means kindness. Sauberkeit means cleanliness. Every one of these nouns ends so everyone uses die. Let's practice. Pause the video and choose the correct article for each word. If you answered die for all 3, excellent! You've just learned 2 powerful German article rules. Our next rule is one of the easiest in German. If a noun ends with CHEN, it is almost always neuter. That means it takes the article das. Look at these examples. Das Mädchen means the girl. Das Brötchen means a bread roll. Das Häuschen means a small house. They all end with dachen, so they all use das. Here's another use. Names of all days and all months in German use the article der. January is der Januar. December is der Dezember. Every day and every month follows the same rule. Let's test what you've learned. Pause the video. If you answered das, and der, excellent! You're starting to recognize German patterns instead of memorizing every word. Here's another useful rule. All 4 seasons use der. This is an easy rule to remember because it never changes. These rules are extremely useful, but remember that German also has exceptions. The rules help you guess correctly much more often, but they don't replace learning vocabulary. Let's quickly review everything you've learned today. These are the 6 patterns you should remember. Quiz. Pause the video and answer all 5 questions. Then check your answers. If you got 4 or 5 correct, you're making excellent progress. Excellent work! Your homework is to find 5 German nouns, together with its article. In the next lesson, your first complete German sentences using articles correctly.